This is Nilesh Kimsaria, the Chief Operating Officer of Galaxy Sivtek. We are the largest manufacturer of sieving and filtration equipments in India, and we provide our services globally. Here we are at PaperX to showcase our products used in paper industries, and I am happy to announce that we are relaunching our new model Sivtek Self-Cleaning Filter, which is useful for coating slurry and starch solution filtrations effectively and with high pressure and high capacities. What modifications we have now done is, this is, you can see, this is a easily replaceable top covers. When you want to do a scheduled maintenance, it can be easily removed and taken out the basket for cleaning. The best feature of this product is it's a self-cleaning ability. On the process, on the go, it can clean the basket, the filter media from inside, keeping your process on and on and on. The pneumatic cylinder is connected with a self-cleaning disc which goes up and down, keeping the filter basket clean all the time. The second feature of this product is PLC operated two pneumatic actuators. When the oversize is combined in the collected in the purging chamber, normal filters you have to close the filter and take out the waste. Here it is a PLC operated. The first valve will get open, the waste will collected over here in the tube, then the first valve will again get closed and the second valve will open and the discharge waste will be discharged, but your operation is continuously running there. The PLC operated things are covered in this panel box, which is easily accessible here. And second thing is, now this robust stand is being made, which is making it strong enough to continuously run for years and years together. So please make sure that whenever you have your expansion of your projects for paper industries, please do connect with us for Galaxy Sivtek for all these equipments, and we assure you that you will get the best return out of your money. Thank you.